Apple cider vinegar, ACV, is a versatile home remedy for many health conditions. It is widely used for nourishing hair to look shiny and lustrous. But, does apple cider vinegar help with dandruff? Is there any scientific research supporting its use? We will take a closer look at apple cider vinegar to understand how good it is for dandruff. We will also discuss how to use it, so stay tuned to the end of the video. There is no specific dandruff-related scientific research available on ACV, yet people use it and find it effective. 2 properties of apple cider vinegar are attractive for dandruff treatment. 1. It is acidic. 2. It is antifungal. Both these aspects are scientifically correct. The pH of apple cider vinegar is between 2 to 3, so it is acidic. A 2003 lab study published in the journal Microbiological Research found that ACV can prevent certain types of fungus. So, it has antifungal capabilities. Dandruff is generally caused by a fungus called Malassezia furfur. The proponents of apple cider vinegar for dandruff treatment believe that it balances the pH of the scalp and the antifungal properties help kill the fungus. Dandruff is also caused by excess production of sebum that makes the scalp oily. Apple cider vinegar also reduces oiliness and associated dirt to cause relief. So, if you are convinced by this logic and want to try ACV out on your dandruff, then it may be worth a try. It is easy to use. Dilute a cup of apple cider vinegar in 3 cups of water for application on your scalp. You can store this in a bottle, as this quantity is good for use 2 to 3 times. Shampoo and rinse your hair normally, then wash your hair and scalp with the prepared diluted apple cider vinegar solution. Let it stay for about 30 minutes, then apply a conditioner and rinse. Apple cider vinegar not only may help remove your dandruff but will also make your hair shiny and lustrous. It will soothe itchiness and remove dirt and extra sebum from your scalp. Bottom line is, apple cider is a popular remedy for dandruff but is not backed up or objected to by any scientific research. If you enjoyed the video, then give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. Subscribe to the channel to watch more videos.